Actually, today we are streaming on TradingView and on YouTube as well. So please, guys, can you confirm that you can hear me clearly? If you are on TradingView, please put in the chat that you can hear me clearly from TradingView. And if you are on YouTube, just let me know that you are on YouTube, and we can basically start in a few minutes. Also, just to let you know, it will be a bit of delay, like I would say 20 to 25 seconds between you hear my voice and between basically I can read your chat. Okay, so how things will go today? It's like every day for this week. Those of you who don't know, this is a special week. I'm going live every day at around 8 a.m. UK time for everybody actually to go and answer your questions. And after that, we can actually take it from there. Right, guys. I'm still waiting for a few minutes. Morning, everyone. Mohsen, Damien, Miriam. So again, guys, those of you on TradingView, please let me know if you can hear me clearly before we start the session. And meanwhile, guys, if you have any question about any chart, anything regarding the concept, please put it in the chat, either on YouTube or on or actually on TradingView, and then I'll read the questions step by step, and we take it from there. Yeah. Again, I'm waiting for a few minutes. Those of you are joining right now, I'm just waiting for a few minutes, guys, before we start. As usual, this session will be mainly about giving you tips, advice, going through the charts step by step, and hopefully you learn something new this week, guys. Morning, Mohammed. In all the cases, this stream will be recorded. If there is any problem with the connection, later on we'll basically upload this to YouTube, yeah? So please start to put your questions, guys, on anywhere, like even if it's on TradingView chat or on YouTube chat, I'll read both, okay? I'll start to take my notes before I start covering the charts. So please start to type your questions. And we'll cover this step by step, pair by pair. And by the way, today I'll give you guys a book to read, just for those who are following and are keep following us on a weekly basis, on every single actually week. So today I'll give you a book about wave analysis, just the foundation of it. And tomorrow I'll give you a book about psychology. So keep watching, guys. Keep joining these sessions. Again, you might learn something new, and I hope this will be beneficial for all of you. Yeah. Right, so Shivami is saying, please check GU. Okay, let me put GU here. On Sunday, T called pullback. Oh, by the way, guys, we were working on the updated recording for the Wednesday session, and it's posted on Weighted Waves members dashboard. Yeah, so Weighted Waves, you can check the recording inside your dashboard about the updates. We have posted this one 30 minutes ago. So you can check that, yeah? If you have any question about what we have covered on Sunday session, all these details are covered on the dashboard, yeah? Because we'll give the levels there, and we'll give basically the exact levels and the reaction levels as well, okay? So for that, Royden, I suggest you to watch the recording of the Wednesday session. Alan, please check EURUSD, EURUSD, and G. Okay, EURUSD, I'll put this on my list now, and Euro New Zealand. GU, I have that. Okay, great. GU, mommy, I have this in my list. Euro dollar, Mohsen, let me put this and cover it for you. By the way, guys, I hope like you are making money. Remember, like the first, I would say, part of the week, it was slow. It's anyway expected. GU, it's already It's already basically in my list. Yes, when the money, I can see your message on TradingView. I can see that. Yeah, thank you very much for this. On TradingView, I have basically Miraja. Yes, I can see your message on TradingView as well. And I can see also the message of YouTube, right? So TradingView users or TradingView followers, guys, if you have any question, please, you can type it. I'll read it, okay? So I'm going through the questions step by step, and once I finish the list, I'll go through them one by one, yeah? Tulani, New Zealand Swiss, let's do that. Guys, by the way, can you hear me clearly, please, one more time? If you can confirm that before I start, it will be appreciated. So Mohsen, euro dollar going as you asked on Sunday. Yes, exactly. Rudra, hi Rudra. Damien, could you show us what the 8 videos in the course explains? Yes, I can do that, Damien. It's not a big deal. I can show you this. But again, these sessions are just, guys, for you questions. But no problem. I can show you this one. Okay. What is included inside the Masterclass course videos. Rajdev, good morning. Pound dollar Jack, I have this on my list, yeah? I'm in profit now. Amazing. Perfect. Gold. Let me have gold as well here. Pound dollar also. Hatake is asking for it. Guys, if you see that the pair actually someone is asking for it, please don't ask for it again. Yeah, I'm reading the chat one by one. Once I finish this one, I'll start basically to cover the pairs. Okay. Pound dollar. Okay. Gold in multi-time frame, please. In multi-time frame, if you're asking me about top-down analysis, I'll try to do that, and I'll cover a few things for you as well for gold. It's not only, it's for all of you actually. For this one, we'll cover it in detail, no problem. I'll give you also my point of view, and yeah, let's do that. Exactly, guys. If you can give us thumbs up either on TradingView and on YouTube, this will be appreciated. Yeah. Hi, Justin on TradingView. Again, guys, TradingView users, if you are watching right now, please, if you can give us a thumbs up, this will be perfect. And at the same time, guys, if you can follow us on TradingView via the link, also this will be great. So, FactTech, I bought gold at 1925. Is it the right time? 1925. Yeah, it's not a bad entry. It's perfect entry actually. I will cover this one in detail shortly. Yeah, if this will fall down once more or not. But yeah, it's not a bad entry. The levels is perfect. Silvaraja, hi Alan, good afternoon from Malaysia. Hello. TradeX. Jama is asking about EuroCAD. Let's go for EuroCAD as well. Aussie CAD, it's one of the also very important pairs to keep an eye on, guys. Those of you who traded Aussie CAD. Gold already have it. SPX 500. I'm just writing, guys, the pairs you're asking for, and then after that I'll start to cover all of them. Yes, Chief, perfect. Thank you very much for confirming. Euro Yen. All right. US30, I think I have it on my list. No, let me put it here. This is US30. Pound CAD for Mikhail. Guys, Trader X, please write your message in English only. Yeah, otherwise I'll basically be forced to delete the message and probably put you on hold. Yeah, because I don't know what you are typing. Sound is perfect. Great. Thank you very much. US30, it's on my list. Shady, what can one be consistent with our devoted to strategy to enable USC structure forming ahead of time? What can one be consistent? I didn't get the question, to be honest. Shady. Good morning, Alan. Hi, Mike. You have at Euro New Zealand 1 hour. Euro New Zealand, I have it in my list. Yes, I'll cover it shortly. SPX 500, I have it. Perfect. Trader X, please keep your message on English, yeah? Shamraj, hi from TradingView. Guys, if you have any question on TradingView, even post it on the chat. I'll yes, actually this basically this sound, that's basically what we are doing, yeah, for TradingView messages. If you have any question, guys, about any chart, please type it, yeah. And if you can see the screen and see the like in clear way on TradingView, please let me know, guys. Those of you who are watching on TradingView, please let me know, yeah, on TradingView. Okay, I'm reading both chats for now before I start covering the charts and give you basically the updates and all what we want to cover today. So the last chart was pound CAD, yeah. All right, euro pound, I don't have it. Let me add euro pound here. Euro dollar, I have it on my list. Max Soul, please guys read the chat before you ask for the pair, yeah, because I'm going step by step, one by one. If I have it in my list, I'll cover it, yeah. Alif, hi Alan, are you doing these sessions every day? Well, again, I know, guys, some of you might be new to Weighted Waves, yeah. So what I have done, I have said to our members or to our followers, like, guys, if we reach more than 500 likes on the last forecast, I'll go with you for 1 week live from Monday till Friday, and that's what I'm doing now, yeah. It's some sort of give back for people who are liking and commenting on our sessions, okay. Right. Chief alternate pair, please. AB Evans, yes, I'll speak about that. It's very important. Aussie CAD, I have it on my list. Tony FX. Pound yen, let me add pound yen. So I'll take just few more pairs, guys, and I'll start, yeah. Again, if you are watching right now, guys, please, if you can give us thumbs up, this will be appreciated. Because I'm repeating this again, it's not only to motivate me, it's basically to help YouTube algo to share this forecast to more traders. This is the exact way you found us, by the way, yeah? And they might need help, like one direction, one bias, one tip. It might help one trader to not lose his account, yeah? So please give back to the community, give back to traders, and just give us thumbs up and leave a comment once you finish. This will be perfect. USOIL, I think I have it on my list. Let me add it again. USOIL, please check NAS 100 if not on your list. I think I have it in my list. NAS 100, High Golam, Platinum. All right, we can check that. By the way, all these pairs, guys, are covered on our Sunday sessions, yeah. Dollar CAD, it was perfect, yeah. I think those of you watching yesterday, I hope you get in the sell and you made money trading the drop. DXY. Okay, I'll take just 2 before I start, yeah? Like the video, everyone. Yes, please. Right. Perfect, guys. Let's get started with GU, okay? So the first chart I will cover today is GU. For this one, you know, basically the structure, yeah? So here, yesterday, market was falling, right? And we said this might be complete correct. Let me go to 1 hour so you can see clearly the chart. After this up wave, here we've got an expanding flat. It's an amazing and perfect structure to us to trade. We usually trade these waves, these moves, and a lot of members have basically traded this up wave. Okay. After that, market dropped. It gave us a pullback, and then we have this drop here. This is also a complete structure, and I want you guys to focus on this. Yeah. Sooner or later, market will go down to break this low eventually. Okay, so with that, you guys, what I want you to focus on is the sell setups, because if you get in the buy frame to the upside, it's perfect. Most probably we'll get a corrective structure, one will push up for pound dollar short term. Okay, those of you asking on TradingView that the screen is blank or black, you just have to refresh. Yeah. Once you refresh, you will get that. And like once you finish the stream, I think you can watch it again. If you have any problem watching on TradingView, you can go to YouTube. It will be posted in YouTube. All right. So for pound dollar, this is what I can say. Okay. We have one possibility, which is I cannot see it at the moment. It's like I would say it's 40% chance for now. I'll give you guys percentage about the chance. This will give you an idea. We have one possibility for this to drop and break this low here before the next upwave. Okay. In all the cases, I'm not interested in the buy setups from current levels for pound dollar. Okay, so we can get one push up, and then After this up wave, if we get a sell setup, we can go for sells. Okay, but if you are in the buy from here, all you have to do is to manage your trades. And if I'm in the buy to the upside for pound dollar after the completion of this structure here, if I'm in the buy, what I will do, I'll take partial profits and move the rest to break even and let the market unfold. As simple as that. Trading shouldn't be stressful, guys, okay? Trading should be like, it should be easy. Once you learn how to trade correctly, you can basically start to manage the trades like without too much stress, okay? So for this one, corrective structure, one push up, this is what I can see short term, okay? Again, if this will be the sort of structure as a running flat in the middle, which is 40% chance, this will be falling from here to break this low and this low, take liquidity, and then go to the upside after, okay? And this might align with what the XY might do, by the way, yeah? Once I go to the XY, I'll cover this for you in detail. But this is what I can see for pound dollar. I have covered yesterday what I have in mind for this one, and I can cover it again today for those who are joining new, or those who are new to TradingView and new to YouTube. If you are new to YouTube, guys, or to TradingView, make sure to subscribe and give us thumbs up, yeah? So for pound dollar, what I'm expecting is market to give me one more drop, okay? Under this low, I'll start to look for my buy setups. This base is short term, long term, medium term, whatever you want to call it. This is how I can see the structure will behave for pound dollar. Which wave to trade is up to you. All right, guys? So this is what I can see basically for this one. Good morning, Alan. I would like to thank you. So no problem. You're welcome, guys. Asad, thank you very much for the feedback. Hi, Alan. Thank you for these sessions. I'm already in break even on pound dollar buy with your Monday. Amazing. All right. So invest to markets. If you're already at break even, this means you will not get a small loss and you will not get a big loss, which means you are in the right way. So the worst case scenario if you're at break even is the break even. So what you can do here, you can take partial profit, let's say 50%, and leave the rest at break even, which means regardless what the market will do, you'll be making small profits, because at the end of the day, the goal is to make profits, right? So if you can make profits from this move, why not? Who knows? Probably the next hour market will be here. Why to lose all of this? Make sense? So this basically for pound dollar, I think it's done and it's clear for all of you. EURUSD, it's one of the, I would say, good pairs to keep an eye on. And I think we have covered this in details as well, right? Market went up, we broke this top, and then we start to get a reaction. And all of you guys get in the buy and actually start getting the sell, and you are in profits now. Make sure to move your stops to break even and manage your trades, okay? Because for this one, guys, yeah, what I'm expecting is a fall either from current levels, or even if this will push back up to break this top once more, I don't want you to be lost. Yeah, I don't want you to freak out. This will be just the part of the corrective structure, and after that, market will be falling. In all the cases, I want you to keep an eye on EURUSD to the downside. I know some of you are already in the sell. Why market went to the upside and why we've got this drop? As I always say, it's too late, right? It's like irrelevant to know why market has fallen. It's too late. But from Monday, from even previous sessions, and also those of you watching the Sunday sessions, the weighted waivers, this is a top, right? We were having here a triple top formation for retail traders, just to trap retail traders. Market went up, we broke the top once. All people who were trading stop plus stop hunt, they get in the sell here, putting stop loss probably 10, 20, 30 pips above that one. Market went back up, we broke this one once more, and we've got the reaction. I have explained this in details, guys, yesterday as well. Okay, so I want you please to follow this and have this in mind, like, and follow the structure. Okay, so after this drop, some of our traders, I'm sure they are in the sell because we've have our perfect setup here. After this drop, this might be some sort of running flat, just to let you know. And this running flat, it can turn out to be an expanding flat for one push up and then the fall. I want you to ignore this one in terms of trading. This just to manage the trade for those who are in the sell. Okay. After this up wave, if market will give us an up move, another sell will be coming or another drop will be coming. My focus is on the sell setups, either from here, like I said, some of us are already in the sell, or if market will give us a corrective structure, another drop will be coming. In all the cases, I'm looking for my sell setups for EURUSD. Any buy setup from current levels, I will ignore Now, some of you might be saying, Alan, but I'm a scalper, like this is a big move to me. Can I take this trade? 100% you take. If you have different point of view than me, you go for it. No problem at all. But just to show you one thing, guys, before we continue, yeah? Look at this just to, I want to say like to our traders, guys, we are proud of every single one of you, yeah? Because what you are doing is amazing. This was yesterday, guys. Just I want to show you this one. This is the Slack group, by the way. It's the private group that you will get access to after 3 months of your membership, or if you join the yearly membership. More details about the membership is on the website. Okay, it's not a promotion. I'm just showing you and being proud of our members. Look at this. This is only yesterday. I'm just deliberately showing you this because every single week I'm showing you more success stories. Day by day, week by week. Look at this one. This is one. Jama, well done. You are doing an amazing job. And look, basically what people are saying underneath. This is the support that you will get. This is, by the way, another member. And this is the third one. So 3 people, right? 3 members. Yesterday, they posted their certificates. They are passing funded trade challenges. And those of you who don't know what are these funded trade challenges, they are something too tough to pass. Without knowing the knowledge, without having the knowledge, you cannot actually, you cannot pass these challenges. Okay, so first thing first, learn how to trade correctly. From us, from anyone else, is up to you. But we have the solution for you. If you want it, you know where to get it, yeah? So 3 members yesterday passed these ones. I want to say congrats on front of all the viewers because you guys are doing an amazing job. The main point is stay disciplined and keep pushing. There is no other way. Keep pushing day in, day out. All right? You will get there. You know, basically, what are these funded challenges? Basically, once you pass the challenge, the funded trade company will give you basically an account to trade, let's say 50K, 100K, and the profits you make, it's divided between you and between the company, which is like profit sharing. This for those who don't have basic capital to trade, right? So you can invest in your knowledge first, and second, you invest in this funded trade company if you don't have the capital, and after that, you can make money from trading. Make sense? So this is basically the step-by-step process. For EURUSD, I think it's already done. Let me just cover for the guy who was asking about the videos quickly before I continue to the next page. Yeah. So once you join basically the membership, these are the videos and these are basically the chapters covered inside the Masterclass course. All these chapters. So introduction about, just you can read this one. I don't want to basically spend too much time here. This is what is covered in detail, step by step, wave by wave. These 2 videos, you will get access to them after you finish the first 3 months, okay? Because we don't want you to focus on the strategies first. It's the learning process, okay? Or if you join the yearly membership, you will get access straight away to everything. So EURUSD, I think it's done, guys. You know basically what's my bias and you know basically what the market is doing. And we have covered this anyway during the previous few days. Market was slow, but we've got all what we want to get, okay? Euro New Zealand, it's the same. And I really hope some of you also took this all above this top here. Market start to give us a reaction. We've got this drop. This 4 hours. If you go to 1 hour, you will see basically market drop, give us a pullback, another fall. And if here, market will give us a corrective structure, another fall will be coming. What I can say is this. Let me show you this one. What I can see here is the liquidity. Let me change this one to here under these lows. Again, I'll give you more tips, more advice because we still have only 2 days, which is Thursday and Friday. Under these lows, guys, market makers are building liquidity, which means sooner or later market will go down to break these lows. Okay, in this sort of structure, they build liquidity under these lows because they will trap retail traders who trade with the trend to the upside. Okay, because usually, again with full respect, usually retail traders, they don't know when the trend is about to end. They will keep following the trend till the infinity, right? Because they don't know the structures. If you master everything, weighted average concept is an all-in-one solution. It's basically the concept for where we teach you everything about structure, about trends, about liquidity, smart money concept, Elliott wave, everything in one single course. So in all the cases, for Euro New Zealand, like as you know, I'm biased to the downside. Even if this will push back up to break this top once more, this is the move. So this is what I'll be looking for, a wave similar to this one or similar to this one. Okay? Which means any buy setup from me, I will ignore it. Even here, if this is, let's say, 90% chance, just to teach you guys on how to think, to teach you about the correct mindset. Yeah? Even if this is a 90% chance, keep in mind that we have 10% chance where the market can push up 2,000 pips without any pullback. I'm just here putting this deliberately just to say to people who are trading without stop loss, be careful. Okay? And those of you who are basically over trading, over risking, be careful, guys. So these sort of strategy, guys, that you are getting here, this is what we cover on a daily basis with the seniors. This is what we cover on Sunday sessions. We cover all the pairs, not only the pairs that you ask for, step by step. And on monthly Q&A session, this is what I do. I go take your questions and I do this step by step, wave by wave, and explaining you about more tips and more advice. Okay? So those of you who are serious about trading, you know basically what to do, guys. For New Zealand, you know what I'm looking for. Okay? I am biased to the downside. If you have different point of view, it's totally fine. Guys, one more time on TradingView, if you can confirm that you can see basically the screen and you can hear me clearly on TradingView, please do let me know. I think TradingView will process also the recording once we finish, and the stream will be there for, I don't know, for 60 days. And also this is on YouTube. Again, if there is any problem with the connection, we'll upload this on HD version later on for all of you. Next pair, Euro dollar. All of you weighted waivers, you know, basically we have posted for you guys the recording of Wednesday session on your dashboards. Please check it because we have given you the levels and how to trade the CPI as well, because tomorrow we have dollar news on how to trade it. We have given you all the details step by step, wave by wave, on what the market will be doing, basically to know how to trade it. All right. One more time, guys, on YouTube, if you are still hearing me clearly, let me know in the chat on YouTube, and I'll continue to do this. Euro dollar for this one, market is pushing to the upside. Okay, we've got a corrective structure, and I told you yesterday, I said to you yesterday, this is a potential contracting flat, right? I'm not sure if this was on the live session or on the private session that I did, but in all the cases, this is a structure here. Market is pushing to the upside. This can go all the way up to break this top and even this top before the next move. Okay, so if this is a corrective structure, if this is a complete corrective structure, I'll show you something now, which is like I'll show you something here like I was covering during the previous sessions, and probably you can see it in a very clear way. All people who trade smart money concept, with full respect to all of them, yeah, if they go for this trade, they'll put the stop loss under this low, right? And look what the market have done. Market makers, they just pushed it to the downside because here we have a liquidity pool under this low, and the market started to push back up. That's why learning everything, having basically the knowledge for everything is a key. Okay, guys? So for this one, we've got this trap, market took liquidity, and a lot of our traders are in the buy already to the upside. Those of them who trade euro dollar are in the buy because we have our setups. Okay? The strategies, we have more than 4. They are covered inside the course and inside the Q&A sessions as well. Okay, so for this one, back to here. If this will keep pushing to the upside to break this top before tomorrow's news, we might get this trap for tomorrow. Okay, so I'm giving you guys everything in details even before the news, so you know what to do. Okay, if your dollar will not break this top and keep crawling to the downside, CPI news will push this to the upside. Okay, so personally, I would advise to the upside here first. A lot of us are already in the buy who are managing the trades, and now we'll see what market will be doing. If we get a small corrective structure, one push up will be coming here. Another corrective structure, one push up. If this will keep going to the upside and we break this top before CPI news, CPI will push this to the downside. Okay, guys? Make sense? Thank you, Matambani. So euro dollar, I think this covered in detail. I really hope some of you are in the buy anyway, because this was a clear structure. And here we have liquidity as well, yeah? So we have a high probability chance for market to keep rolling to the upside to break this top. All right, guys? I'm in deep profit, sell on GU. Amazing. Well done. New Zealand Swiss, it's one of the pairs also to keep an eye on. All the Swiss alternatives, guys, okay? So New Zealand Swiss, even if this, I can see this, yeah? It's like, I'd say 70% chance to get one more fall. Even if this happens, this is the move, guys. Okay, I want you to focus on this up wave. All right, this is for New Zealand Swiss. Regardless what the market is doing, or regardless what the market will do, I'll be focusing on my buy setup for New Zealand Swiss only. All right, any sell setup from current levels, even if I'm a scalper, I will ignore it. Okay, New Zealand Swiss, you focus only on the buy setups. The move is toward the upside. Okay, keep an eye on this one, guys. You might be able to make a lot of money trading this up wave. But what I can see here internally, one more drop to break this low. It's not necessary for the structure, but the structure showing me one more drop before the next up wave. This is your trade to the upside. Okay, for New Zealand Swiss. Gold, we've got this drop. I told you in the last few sessions, like even if market will go down to break this low, the bias is toward the upside, right? So we've got this drop and market broke this low, and now we are pushing to the upside. If you are in the buy, make sure to manage your trades, okay? Because here we might get more than one possibility. In all the cases, I'm biased to the upside. Even if this will go down to break this low once more, I'm biased to the upside. If I go back to Euro New Zealand, just to show you one thing and show you the difference actually. Here, they are building liquidity under these lows. For gold, every new low is a potential last low here in this structure. So this is what I focus on. Okay, I'm just putting this for you guys in details so you know what to look for. Okay, so in this sort of structure, usually what they do, they trap retail traders to sell. And after that, they push market back up. This is your trade. Now, if you're a scalper and you want to trade this down wave, it's up to you. My personal point of view, my personal bias is up. And this is the trade, this is the move that I'm looking for, upwards. Make sense? So for gold, I'll be looking for my buy setups. And this is not only for short term, even for the long term. If this will be a corrective structure here, market pushing all the way up to break this top once more. Okay, perfect, Alan. Can this one go all the way up to break this top, and this top once more? Yes, it can. Okay, it can do that. And some of the big banks also, they have this analysis. Now we will be, I will not basically talk about the war situation, about basically the macroeconomic factors, about what's happening in the world. This is usually covered in details during our Sunday and Wednesday sessions. So on Wednesday and Sunday sessions, mainly on Sunday sessions, we start with the fundamental analysis. We go for Forex Factory, we go for the news events step by step, and after that, we speak about what's happening in the world. And trust me on that, what you will get during Sunday sessions is gold, okay? Because the amount of knowledge that we share is something else. It's a next level. So my bias for gold is up. Now, with dollar be pushing to the upside, because based on seasonality, usually dollar is bullish on August. This is one. Number two, in August, usually we do not have too much volatility. Okay, so this sort of experience, this sort of knowledge, guys, will help a lot later on to trade with less stress. Because as example, I am not forcing the trades for August myself. Okay, so I'm taking it easy. You know what I mean? So these sort of knowledge, once you do the backtesting, we have the backtesting also video for weighted waivers. Once you do the backtesting, you know basically in detail at your pair what patterns it makes, what strategy to execute, on which session it usually moved, what risk to reward to take. All these all these details, you will get them once you do the backtesting. Okay, so now all what I'm doing here is after we do the analysis. For gold, I am biased to the upside. Even if this will crawl to the upside slowly and one more drop to break this low, the next move for me is towards the upside. And this will be another complex structure. In all the cases, my bias for gold is toward the upside, which means I look for buy setups only. Make sense, guys? Is that clear for gold? If I need to speak about the macroeconomic factors, the global situation, and what is the bias for this one, the bias is towards the upside based on what's happening in the world. Okay, and based on structure, also this is a buy structure to us. Okay, can we be wrong here and market will fall like this? Yes, we can. What is the chance of this? 5 to 10% chance. I am always covering this, guys. It's not about market. It can go up or it can go down. I'm saving you from over-risking, over-trading, and losing your account, because we don't do that. Okay, we know how to trade. I'm helping you to also protect your capital. Okay, if this will fall to the downside and I'm wrong and you are over-risking here, I'll be wrong, but you'll be losing the money. My main goal is to protect your capital, and if you can grow your account by following us or by joining us, if you join us, you'll be making money. Okay, but if you decide just to follow us and go for this one by following the bias only, by executing your strategies, also you can do that. But if you want to jump to the next level, you have the solution. EURUSD, one also of the good pairs. So for this one, weighted waivers, you know basically what was the bias here, right? We've got this trap and you know the structure. Now, a lot of the times, I was covering for you guys the running flat structure, okay? And I think a lot of you are able to see this here, right? Even weighted waivers, they can read every single wave here in detail, step by step, wave by wave, and they can trade it as well. But for this one, they can trade this up wave, they can trade this drop, and they can trade this up wave as well. If this will be a running flat from push up, they know how to trade this up move and how to maximize profits trading this up wave. Okay, now for this one, this is the trade to the downside. If you are in this sell, perfect, you take profits, you manage your trades, it's up to you. If this will turns out to be a corrective structure, one more drop will be coming. Personally, I'm biased for one more drop from the current levels or from above this top. And regards to the levels, guys, these levels are covered during the recording, okay, like in the recording of the Wednesday session. That is in your dashboard for retail waivers. For this one, I'm biased to downside for this level, roughly. Okay, first of all. In all the cases, the next move is toward the downside. Okay? If this will be a running flat, market will push to the upside just to break this top. It can break previous tops. I will not explain this in detail because this will be, I'll be revealing too much. But let's just focus on this top. If market will push up to break this top, another top will be coming. I'm interested in the sell setups only. Make sense? EURUSD, if you get in the sell, perfect. SUFVM, we have covered the euro dollar. You can watch the recording later, okay? Please do not post it again in the chat. Next chart is Aussie CAD. This one, guys, I wanted to focus on. I was in the TR, basically Kishore was doing ETR, and then I joined the session 2 days ago. And I said to my traders, guys, you focus on the buy setups, okay? So this is the move to the upside here. We've got this corrective structure, and most of them who are trading Aussie CAD, they are in the buy. What's next? Corrective structure, another push up. Let the market break this top, and then you manage your trades, okay? Even if this will be going to the upside, breaking this top, and then another fall, I'll be focusing on my buy setups. This is a high probability chance move, okay? But because I'm expecting Swiss to fall, and CAD also will be falling if this will be the case here to the upside, this one, if we get this top to the downside, I'll be focusing only on the buy setups. No sell setups to me, okay? If you want to go for this sell, even if it's 50-50 probability chance for now, okay? If you want to go for this sell, you go for it. It's up to you. For me, I'm focusing only on the buy setup because the bigger picture showing me an upwave will be coming from here or from under this low. Make sense? Guys, is that clear? Are you enjoying the forecast, by the way, from Trading Me and from YouTube? Please let me know in the chat. Is that helpful? S&P 500, your SGMV, I might block you. Yeah, please stop posting your dollar because I have covered that. You can watch this from the recording. I don't basically waste time for the followers who were watching. Yeah, please. S&P 500. For this one, market is dropping to the downside for a slow move, okay? This is not a corrective structure. This is just a part of the corrective structure, which means if I get a corrective wave here, one more fall before the next up wave. Okay, which wave to focus on? Personally, I'll be focusing on the sell setups if that's the case. Okay, sell setups from here or sell setups from here. Make sense? That's what I'll be focusing on. Now, there's another reason for this bias. Usually DXY on August, like I said, based on seasonality, is bullish. And we have seen DXY pushing to the upside. I'll cover DXY probably after this, yeah? So we have seen, DXY pushing to the upside in August. And this move, it can continue based on the next structure and based also on CPI data. Because if dollar will be pushing to the upside, this will be falling. I'm expecting a wave similar to this one or this one from current levels. I would love to see market push to the upside, which will be better for this structure, yeah? One push up and then the sells from above this top, it will be better. If this happens, you can sell from above the top. It will give you better risk reward, okay? Let me just log this one, please. Probably let's put the user in timeout. It will be better, okay? So this is done. Euro yen, let's go for Euro yen. Market is correcting here, okay? Again, it's exactly in the middle. Those who are asking about Euro yen, it's exactly in the middle. If I need to take any action here, probably I will leave it, yeah, because this is exactly in the middle, right? This is a complete structure, just to let you know what I'm looking at, yeah? I'm looking at this one. This is an expanding flat here. And this is the up wave. The structure is in the making. One more drop, most probably, another push up. And then after we break this top and this top, market will be falling after. This is the short answer, okay? And this is what I can see step by step, wave by wave, what the market might do, okay? Which wave to trade is up to you. Personally, I prefer to wait for the completion of this structure to go for one more push up. And after this up wave, I'll go for another sell if I get the sell setup. I think this is clear, yeah? Yes, guys, it's already done for SUVM. Yeah, 30. This is a corrective structure. One more push up is very possible. Even this is a very complex structure here, but it's a correction to me, which means the next move is towards the upside, okay? After this up wave, you start to look for sell setups. First thing first, one more push up for EURUSD 30 before the next move. If you want to trade this one, you go for it, no problem. If you want to wait for this one to go to the upside, after this up wave, another drop will be coming to break these lows here and probably target these areas, this zone. Okay, make sense? This for US30, guys. Pound CAD. Again, these sort of sessions, guys, I'm repeating. This is a special week, by the way, okay? And these sort of sessions, you will get them every Sunday, where you ask about your charts. We'll cover all the charts in details, and you can get this even on the daily sessions for weighted waivers. Every day we have the sessions, okay? So this is just to show you basically how we cover the charts and how we go for the page. And this is not all. We also go for the trades of the week, trades of the month on Sunday. And on daily sessions, we look for setups as well, which I cannot do here because this is not fair for weighted waivers, yeah? Anyway, pound CAD for this one, I'll be looking for the sells, okay? This is a complete structure. Any time market give me a sell setup, I'll go for it. This is the move, okay? And this is the trade for me. Pound CAD, I'm biased to downside, and I look for my sell setups only. Regardless if this will push back up to break this top once more, sell is the next move to me, okay? And this might be a good structure, by the way. Just let me go for the bigger picture. Right. This might be, guys, a fall just to this level first, and then we'll see the reaction. If we get a corrected structure here, another drop to break this low, and this low will be coming, okay? In all the cases, for pound CAD, I am biased to the downside, okay? Euro pound, market is correcting here. After this corrective structure, I'm expecting one more push up. This is a complex structure, by the way. One more push up, one more fall, and then another up wave. All of this. Okay. Now, those of you are like might be thinking, Alan, why market will do this? Like, what can you see here? Again, because those of you are watching and following on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, please, guys, give us thumbs up. Yeah, I don't know how many likes we have on YouTube at the moment, but the more we have, the better. Yeah. So what I can see is the same structure for dollar CAD, but in reverse. Just take a screenshot of this one, or just memorize this one here. It's like drop, up, corrective structure, up, drop, and then up again. This is called a running flat in the middle. This is a regular flat. From here to here is a regular flat, and what we have in the middle is a running flat. So if you go to this one, dollar CAD, look at this. This is the structure that I can see. We have up, running flat in the middle, drop, and then up again. Okay, so this is the same structure, but in reverse. If I go back to Euro Pound, what we can get here is up, down, and then up again. Okay, so this is my bias for Euro Pound. Which wave to trade again is up to you. Remember one thing: not every time you look at charts, guys, you have to get in the trade. Okay, a lot of times trading is about patience. Trading is a waiting game. Once you master the waiting game, you'll be able to make a lot of money. Okay, so this is basically what they do. They play with your emotions. Okay, so trading is a waiting game. I want you to focus on this one, and I want you to master your mindset. Okay, guys, mastering your mindset is what can lead to a next level in your mindset. Okay, once you master your mindset, you'll be able to trade without stress. You'll be able to follow your trading plan on every single trade. I know basically that the market can do whatever it wants to do at any single point of the time. Once you have this in mind, you will not be attached to one single trade. Once you have this in mind, you will not be basically over risking, over trading, trading without stop loss, adding closing positions. You will not do that. Okay, imagine just no one is telling you these 4 golden rules. Yeah, you will keep doing the same mistakes again and again and again, because no one is teaching you. No one is teaching you basically how to trade correctly. No one is giving you the advice. I wish like back in the day someone was giving me this advice, because I lost few accounts previously by adding closing positions, and these tips are based on experience. It's not based on anything you can find on the internet. It's not based on anything you can find on YouTube, on Google, on TikTok. It's not like that. It's based on our own experience. Tia and I, we spent more than 10 hours analyzing back in the days to get to this concept, to get to this some discoveries about the strategies, about money management, about this experience, to share this experience. Not everybody, guys, know actually how to teach. There's also one thing which is very, very important. Not everybody even wants to teach, because they think if I know something, why to give it to people? Sharing is caring, right? But at the same time, we are building the best trading community in the world. We have it. We are just growing it slowly and in a perfect way. Our Slack community is on fire. It's, I think, the most active community, most active trading community. It's not about anyone can join. It's a private community. All right. So for that, look at the success stories. We cannot achieve this. Our members cannot achieve this if we are not giving them the right knowledge and giving them the right process. Make sense, guys? And in terms of investing, the best investment you can ever make, it's not in Bitcoin, it's not in real estate. The best investment you can ever make is to invest in yourself, because once you get the knowledge, no one can take it from you. Trust me on that. And this is something, all of you know it, but the decision-making process that you have, you need probably more time to get out of the bad habits. Like I said yesterday, bad habits usually is not about time. Bad habits is about decision. As example, if you jump in, it's not like with the time you stop jumping in the trade. It's about decision. I need to take a decision right now, at the moment, I want to learn how to trade correctly. Do not lose more money in the market, because usually traders, they think about investing on themselves as a loss. It's not a loss, guys. Trust me on that. It's the best investment you can ever make. Go to a Trustpilot and read what our members are saying. They will tell you basically the story. because some of them, they were hesitating to join for 1, 2, 3 months, 6 months, and after they join, they regret that why they didn't join before. Okay, do not join us. I'm just saying what is the reality. If you don't want to join us, it's up to you. And if you are looking for signals, please don't join. If you want to jump to the next level in trading, if you are serious about trading and you want the next level, we trade waves is the only solution for you. Make sense? This guy's for Euro pound. The next pair is pound yen. Pound yen, if I go to this one, look at this. Market was falling yesterday, and this was a complex structure. We've got this correction up, corrective structure up, and we've got this drop. If you get in the sell and you're a scalper, you must have made money trading this drop. After this drop, we've got this up wave all the way up. We broke the top here, and market is dropping. What's next? In all the cases for pound yen, I will be looking for my sell setups. Now, step-by-step process, what the structure is giving us. Market might be falling to the downside, breaking this low, pushing back up, giving us a corrective structure, pushing back up. In all the cases, any buy setup I will ignore. This is a 60% chance. Okay? The next 40% chance is market will be falling from exactly here to the downside. It's a low chance, 40% chance. In all the cases, if I'm trading pound yen, I'll be looking for my sell setups only. I'll manage my trades. After this drop, once we have a complete structure, another push up will be coming. Corrective structure up, and then the fall. This fall is the move that you don't want to miss. This fall can come from here, by the way. This is a 20% chance. If that's the case, we might miss this drop, right? Or, like I said during the previous streams, we might get in the sell here with a crazy risk to reward. And that's the power of knowledge, actually. Because I can explain this again. If I'm risking here 30 pips to gain, let's say, 90 pips, which is 3-to-1 in terms of risk to reward, here we might risk 10 pips to gain 50 pips, which is 5-to-1 in terms of risk to reward. And this will be a better trade. Do not think that if you get in at the start of the trend is the best entry. This, guys, the false illusion that you have. Okay? It's not if you enter at the this is the best entry. It's not. Do not think that this is the best entry here. It's not. Okay? So these sort of tips, guys, all right, these sort of tips that it will be eye-opening for most of you. You cannot get it anywhere but at We Trade Waves. All right? So pound yen is in the middle. I will leave it for now. If I need to take any action, I will go for the sell setups and I'll manage my trades. Okay? Better sell setups will be above this top because based on the structure, this might be the structure here before the drop. And keep an eye on the 85 levels, by the way. I was repeating this like every single session. Yeah? So we can get drop up, probably tap 185, corrective structure, one more push up, give us an ending structure here, and then the fall. Do not miss this fall. All right? Guys, can you still hear me? Please, let me know on the chat. Those of you who are commenting on TradingView, I'll also go for your questions, guys, yeah, shortly. After pound yen, we have USOIL. USOIL, this was a pullback, and the market went all the way up. Market will go up to break this top, and then after that, another drop will be coming. Now, for this drop, I don't want you to be in rush, yeah? Wait for this up wave. We might get another corrective structure, one push up, and then the fall. The levels are mentioned during the recording, inside the recording, okay? Thank you again for confirming. The levels here are mentioned during the recording. But for all of you are following us on TradingView and on YouTube, we might get a corrective structure, one push up, and then the fall. This is the move, and this is the trade that I'll focus on. The move will be something similar to this one, okay? Remember, USOIL depends a lot on the news as well, yeah? So if there is any news event here, and this will skyrocket, well, we are not controlling the market. Based on structures, up wave, correction, one push up, and then a drop. This is the trade, and this is the move that I'll be focusing on. Sell setup, down wave. Okay? Next pair, XPT. XPT is one of the pairs that we also cover on Sunday sessions. I'm repeating this one. During our Sunday session, guys, we cover the YouTube list. This one. We cover the indices. we cover the other pairs, and we go through your questions step by step, question by question. If you have any questions, you can ask, and we'll also answer you on the Sunday session, right? So platinum, for this one, what I can see is one more drop and then a corrective structure to start. This is your trade to the upside. Even if this is a corrective structure, this is your trade. Okay? All, I'll not say all metals actually, but we can say like this one, if it will break this low, you have to look for your buy setups, okay? Either as a corrective structure or as an impulsive wave. I don't want to basically cover too much because, again, I'll be revealing too many things, which is not fair for weekly waivers, guys, okay? I really hope you understand that. But anyway, for this one push up will be coming. Dollar CAD, let's go for this one. You remember yesterday, right? I said, even with this one, we're not interested. This is just to grab people. And then after that, market started to fall. My bias is toward the downside. What's next? Looks like market will correct for another drop. This is the trade, the next drop for dollar CAD. Some of our traders might be already in the sell. And if you're in the sell, all you have to do is to manage your trades and just actually let the market unfold, right? Because if you take partial profits here, it might be also a good idea. But again, what I can see is a corrective structure for another drop for dollar CAD. Because remember, I was expecting a move similar to this one. We've got the first leg of the next structure. This is the first leg. Okay? Make sense? DXY. Tomorrow, guys, we have CPI. Yeah? And as I told you, August usually is a bullish month for dollar. And we were saying this to people on Sunday sessions before August. Okay? We traders, they know basically what he was covering for this one. And this is, by the way, August here, right? We've got this up wave, pull back, and up again. What's next? Tomorrow we have CPI data. How to trade CPI? It's covered during the Wednesday recording for retail waivers inside the dashboard. Now, what I cover for you here is the structure. If we get this up wave, okay, market will be falling after. And this drop, it will be just to complete a structure. Okay? This structure, guys, you can trade this up wave or you can trade this down wave. It's up to you. Personally, if I get this up move before CPI, CPI will push the XY to the downside. If market will keep crawling to the downside before CPI, CPI will push dollar to the upside. I think this one will push back up. Before or after, I don't care. After this up wave, if you are in the buy, you move your stops and let the market unfold. If I'm in this buy, I'll take profits above this top. Okay? And after that, this is the move to give us another structure. Again, the details of this one is covered inside the Wednesday recording, but I'm giving you tips and hints so you know what to trade. Okay? I'm biased for one push up and then another fall, or if this will be falling from here before CPI, CPI will push this to the upside. The best trades are either wait for this one to push up to go for the sell, or wait for this one to push down to go for the buy. Which one you want to trade is up to you. My bias is for one more push up for now. Okay? Can we get a change of structure? Yes, we can get that. But for now, I can see this. If we get a small corrective structure here, another drop will be coming. All right? In all the cases, this was the up move that we were expecting before any next structure. You know that, right? And after that, market here is correcting or is starting the next leg. After that, one push up and most probably another drop will be coming. Okay? Make sense, guys? For the XY, more details is inside Wednesday recording, inside Weighted Waivers dashboard. I'll go now for trading view questions quickly before I go back to YouTube questions, and we'll take it from there, right? EJ, this is covered, Shamraj. I think you can basically watch the recording later if you would like. Cat Swiss also getting ready. Yes, Cat Swiss is getting ready. I'm not sure if we covered Cat Swiss. Let me double check quickly. No, let's go for Cat Swiss. PC Nafi. Other pairs, Cat Swiss. I am biased to the upside here, all right? So anytime market gives me a buy setup, I'll go for it and I'll manage my trade. Even if this will fall to break this low and this low, the next move is toward the upside. All right? On gold, yes, exactly, PC Nafi. What is the pair you enjoy trading and have backtested a lot, Alan? Carlos, we have backtested almost all the charts. The pairs that I enjoy trading is pound dollar, Euro New Zealand, pound O's, but mainly I like to trade pound dollar. Okay, so from the majors I choose pound dollar. I trade like I don't trade gold and US oil much. Even Euro dollar I don't trade it much. So yes, that's it. Pound dollar, Euro New Zealand, pound O's, and probably some other pairs if I want to. All right. Exactly, PC Nafi. Thanks for answering that. I just closed all GU buys. Amazing. Good job, Danny. Perfect. So for TradingView, guys, if you have any more questions, please let me know. Also, we have 24 people watching on, 282 views on TradingView. If you can, guys, give us a thumbs up and give us a follow on TradingView, it will also be appreciated. Yeah. Back to YouTube for this one. US30 done, Euro dollar done. Someone was asking about CAD Chief is already done. CAD Yen. For CAD Yen is in the middle. I will leave it for now. All right. Secret box. Damien, how to enter is basically the strategies that we teach for weighted waivers. All right. So I cannot basically reveal the strategies here. Yeah. Thank you for understanding that. We have 5 strategies actually on how to enter, maximize, all this stuff. We will cover everything, like we are covering everything in detail. Yeah. Pound Swiss, it's also very interesting pair, guys. I am biased to the upside. All right. Anytime I give a buy setup, even the structure here, it might give me one more drop here to break this low and this low. All right. But my bias is toward the upside, regardless from which level. Here under this low, I'm biased to the upside for Pound Swiss. It's very good pair, by the way. You also have to keep it on your watch list, especially weighted waivers. Yeah, 30 already done, Mukamedi. You can watch the recording later on. This is recorded. It will be posted on YouTube, and you can watch it later on. Please, guys, those of you are watching, give us thumbs up if you can. Euro dollar already done. CAD Yen, it's done. Right. Aussie Swiss, I'm biased to the upside. Fuad Abdullahi. Aussie Swiss, I'm biased to the upside. This one or the pairs, guys, that also you can keep an eye on. This is what I can see, by the way. Market to push all the way up and even higher and probably higher. Okay, so for this one, keep an eye on this, guys. It might be a good trade to the upside. Trade with care and do not over risk or over trade, and do not just jump in. All right, Fuad. Sometimes price makes a pip touch on a level and runs back fast. If I look at structural low, do I catch that? Buy, sell, limit, entry point. Shidi, I think you are speaking about double top, double bottom formation. This is just to trap retail traders to be in. Well, you will see some double top, and double top is working because they want to give you the illusion, and they want to give you basically the false promise that these are working. Okay, because if they will make every single double top and double bottom not working, no one will keep following that, right? So they have to trap you actually. That's what they do. So you will see some double top, double bottom is working. As example, this one. Look at this. So this will be working, yeah. But if you follow this one for every single trade you take, you will lose at the end of the month, at the end of the year. You will lose your account because you might have, let's say, 30% of these working and 70% not, or probably just few. Make sense? They do this one to build liquidity above these tops, and then just to give you an idea, all traders who will trade these double top formation, they will target this next low, because for them this is a downtrend, which means I'll go for this top, and market never broke this low here and just went all the way up to break this top, and then after that we move to downside. All right, EuroCAD, I believe we have done that. EuroCAD, I have EuroOs, AussieCAD, EuroCAD, we have done that. You can check the recording. All right, yes, also have done that. CAD Swiss done, CAD Swiss, CAD Yen done. Mami, thank you for helping in that. Pound O's, this is a good pair. I really hope some of you took this sell. Yeah, I think I have said to you yesterday, want to push up to break this top and then look for sell setups, right? So Pound O's, we've got the drop, keep moving your stops. This can keep falling. Okay, it's also one of the pairs that you can keep an eye on. Weighted waivers, please follow this one on a daily basis as well during the TR, the trade that I mentioned. Pound also downside, euro also downside, EURUSD to downside, Aussie Swiss up, and some other pairs as well. The trades of the week and trades of the month, you know them. Okay, so if we can keep following these ones on a daily basis, this will be appreciated. It's an amazing structure, by the way. Okay, again, this was covered live with you guys yesterday. Yeah, want to push up to break this top and this top, and then the fall. We've got this one. Let me go to here just quickly. You've got this break, and the market started to fall. We've got this drop, pull back, drop, pull back, drop. Market will keep falling. Give me a corrective structure for another drop. Which wave to trade is up to you. We might get something similar to this one, by the way. Okay, so we wait for this pullback to go for this trade if you'd like to go for this trade. And just let you know, not always market will give you this one, yeah? And from where to enter is the key, actually. Where to enter, where to put stop loss, how much to risk. All of this is covered inside the masterclass. Okay. What else? YouTube is good. Yeah, thank you guys for confirming. Right. Euros. We have covered that, Mati. Right. Dollar Swiss. I'm biased to the upside. All the Swiss pairs alternatives, I'm biased to the upside. Silver, I'm biased to the upside. This structure shows me one more drop, by the way, yeah? But even if this will go down to break this low, my bias is toward the upside. This is the move, okay? Which means if dollar will keep pushing to the upside before CPI, CPI will drop the dollar to the downside, which means this will fall, and then CPI will push this to the upside, and vice versa for gold, okay? Now you know, guys, what to do and what to follow. CPI and PPI, big changes to support the XY. Yeah, like I said, if the XY will be correcting before CPI to the downside, CPI will push it up. Silver is done. Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin is also a good one, guys. Market went to the upside, right? I said to you, regardless what the market is doing, my bias is toward the upside. I hope some of you trade Bitcoin, get in the buy, and I hope this will continue to the upside, because if this will be a complete structure, one more floor will be coming. Okay? For now, if we get a corrective structure, which I hope market will do, another push-up will be coming. All right? I'm not investing in Bitcoin, but just saying in terms of structure. All right? I have other investments, guys, not in Bitcoin, other coins, and in other things as well. But just to let you know, this is a complete structure, okay? But based on what the market is giving us here, if we get a correction, something similar to this one, above this top, I'm revealing too much, guys, but you deserve that, yeah? Above this top, if we get a corrective structure, again, you will not get this anywhere but at weighted wave. This is the sort of thing, guys, I'm trying to show you what we teach, yeah? And these sort of tips and advice, it's only at weighted wave. Join us today just to not regret later. Why to keep trading alone, losing the account, losing the second account, the third one, and then decide, you know what, let me join weighted wave. Looks like they are the real deal. Join now, guys. We are the real deal, yeah? Join now to learn basically starting from today, actually. Okay? So for Bitcoin, I hope market will do this for another push-up. If not, well, another dump will be coming here before the next upwave. Okay, that's not like a total fall. It's just like a one more fall before the next upwave. But I hope like we'll get a corrective structure. I think this is clear. Yeah. Anis, I cannot go to lower time frames for this one because if I start to do that, we'll not finish the session. Yeah. Mami, it's not the same case. I'm not counting on this. If dollar is the moving factor, yes, they'll move in the same direction. Okay, for dollar CAD and DXY, if dollar is the moving factor. But usually, we do not look for correlation, because a lot of times we have seen gold pushing up and DXY pushing up as well, yeah? We have seen that a lot, and we have showed you this on our YouTube channel more than once. All right? Dollar Swiss already done, AB. GA done. I'm buying AU. Mr. Puna. Yeah, not bad. It's a good it's a good buy, right? I said to you yesterday, one more fall to break this low, and then you look for buy setups. If you are in this buy, perfect. If you get a corrective structure here, another push up will be coming, okay? Which is good. Even this can keep pushing to the upside from here. Corrective structure, another push up. It's possible, okay? We are not breaking this low, yeah? Keep in mind that this low is still here. All right? That doesn't mean that market cannot fall like this. That's what I'm trying to say, okay? But it's a good buy. I'm from South Africa. I'm loving your content. I'll join you soon. No problem, anytime. Euro is covered. New Zealand Swiss is covered. You can watch the recording, guys, later. Right. Milan, Brother Allen, can dollar yen drop to 142.5? Yes, it can. Okay, just if this is basic sort of questions I usually get, all right, Milan? Don't get me wrong. Please don't take this offensive. But once you ask me, like, can this will be go to this level? Yes, it can. We are not controlling the market, and market can do whatever it wants to do. Now, what is my point of view? Let me see this one here. Okay, so 1.42, 142.5, which is here. Yes, it is very possible. Yeah, it's very possible for market to touch this level before any next structure. It's very possible, yes. But based on the current marks, I know what you are referring to, but based on this current structure, I can see one push up coming. Okay, so if you are in the sell here, putting stop loss anything near this this top, be careful. Okay, because one push up before the corrective structure if market needs to correct, and then yeah, from here we might get basically the reaction or a reaction, I would say. Okay, I think you get the answer. Silver done, dollar done, UJ done. Perfect. I'll check the video again, no problem. Metambani, thank you very much for the feedback as well. Yes, we have a lot of people from all over the world, guys, yeah? From more than 180 countries, our members are. Aussie, New Zealand, ECC. I can see you commenting also on a lot of previous videos. So thank you for that, ECC. Aussie, New Zealand, it's correcting here. It's a complex structure, yeah? One more fall, one more push up. This is short term. If this will happen, another drop will be coming. Okay? But for now, you can focus on these small two moves for now. Enrique, no, it's not. Yeah? Someone is saying, Alan, it's hard to work and be a profitable trader. I experience it. It's not the case. Yeah, because you have a lot of traders who are working and making money on consistent basis, on consistent every single month. Yeah, why I'm saying that? Because you can trade only 1 to 2 hours per day. It's not about sticking or like being in front of the charts for 12 hours to get in. It's not like that. As a matter of fact, like if you keep looking at the charts, you will make mistakes. So when I take the trade personally, I'll just move away. I do other things. I go out, right? So that's what I do, because if I keep looking at the charts, overanalyzing, guys, will lead to wrong decisions. Actually, if you overanalyze, you will have basically your emotions will kick in and you'll start to take wrong decisions. So you put the take profit, you put the stop loss, you enter the trade, you do the analysis, and after you get in, you move away. You just manage the trade probably after 1 to 2 hours, maybe to move it to break even or to take partial profits, whatever. But you should not keep looking at the charts once you are in the trade. 99.9% of traders, they keep checking their phones every 5 minutes. Sleepless nights, stress. This is all, guys, because of the lack of knowledge. And like I said, one tip from us might save you from all of this hassle. Why to put yourself in these shoes? Why to think like, let me put the money in the market, not invest in myself? You should invest in yourself, guys. Regardless if you join us or not, invest in yourself. So those of you are still watching till now, yeah, I'll give you one book to read, just the foundation about, I would say, wave analysis. It's purely about Elliott waves. But before mastering any other concept, you have to master basically Elliott wave, right? In terms of wave analysis, it's the foundation. So if you can go and search about one book called Elliott Wave Principle, Key to Market Behavior, you'll be able to understand a bit more about wave analysis. The book is complex, okay? You have a lot of nonsense things inside it. but it's very good to read it to just start to get the idea about degrees, about structure, about patterns, you know. After that, if you're on the next level, you can join us. So this book is about wave analysis. It's purely about Elliott waves. Go and get it. You can buy it from Amazon. You can get it for free in the internet if you do just a small search. But again, it's called Elliott Wave Principle. If someone can post it in the chat for people, it will be appreciated. Maybe one of our members, if you can post it in the chat. If you can read this book, just to have the foundation about wave analysis. Do not focus on the labeling too much. Do not focus on the internals of, or you can do that. It's not a big deal. But like I said, this one book that you can read to know more about wave analysis. Okay. Tomorrow I give you a book about psychology, which is very, very important. So do not miss, guys. Join me tomorrow as well. Probably at the same time, maybe 8 a.m. UK time. We'll stream tomorrow the same way. Join me tomorrow, guys, for that, and then I can give you the next book. Okay. Walid, yes, probably any one of the members will post the book name for you in the chat, if you can, guys, please. I'm just reading a bit on TradingView. Hi, Alan. All members, did you cover Euro-Swiss? Euro-Swiss, I am biased to the upside. All right, Como from TradingView, I am biased to the upside. You didn't talk about Aussie dollar, sir. Please, can you tell us your bias on Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar, I am biased to the upside. Okay. Some of us are already in the buy and we are managing the trades. Even if the market will fall, remember, guys, tomorrow CPI might be very good for the dollar, and Aussie dollar might be doing something like this. I don't want you to be trapped in that as well, yeah, or over risking, over trading. You risk small, and you just make sure to manage your trades. What I can see here is an up move first. Okay, we are already in the buy and we are managing the trades. If you are not in the buy, for the TradingView message, if you are not in the buy, you wait for market to give you a corrective structure before you go for the buy. Okay? Make sense? Would you put the name of the book in the description? You know what, guys? Let me try to type the book here for you on the chat before we end the session. It's called Elliott Wave Principle. Okay? I believe also it was key to market behavior. Please confirm, guys, that you can see that on the chat before we end the session. Those of you are interested, guys, in joining us, this is basically what you will get if you join Weighted Waves. And again, if you can give us a thumbs up once I finish the stream, if you can leave a comment, this will be appreciated, guys. Okay? And thank you very much for all of you are attending and watching. I hope, guys, you are learning something new every single day. Let me know just if you can see the book before I thank you, Walid, before we end the session. Tomorrow I give you a book about psychology and weighted waivers. I see all of you also. Do not miss the next week's Q&A session, because for the month of August I have done a DR session, and I'll do another Q&A session for weighted waivers, where we go for the next pairs, next big moves, next big trends, how to trade it, and how to take advantage of it and maximize profits. I wish you guys good luck. Trade with care. Do not over risk. Do not over trade. Do not jump in, and never ever add to losing position. Thank you very much. Bye bye.